Hello everyone and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you some important wireless connection commands that can really help you to find information, and also it can help you to find the main problem with your Wi-Fi connection, and also it can help you to troubleshoot the different things with the wireless connections with your PC. So here let me just click on the start menu. So here I'm going to type cmd and run this as administrator. So there are some commands that need the administrative privileges. So here I'm going to run this first command, which is this netsh, and after that I'm going to type this wlan and show. And here I'm going to try something like this interface. So this command is going to show me the connected Wi-Fi. So currently I'm connected to this Wi-Fi. So let me just enter on my keyboard. So as you can see, I'm connected to this Wi-Fi. So I can see all this information related to my Wi-Fi connection, which is this channel. It's going to show me this radio type, show me this SSID. So this is the information of my connected wireless connection in my PC. So here I'm going to type this netsh wlan show profile. So this is a command is going to show me all the saved profiles which I'm already added in my PC for which is already I tried to I didn't try, but I connected to the Wi-Fi. So this profile is the saved profile in my PC. So I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see here, I have this set network, this one, and also this Wi-Fi. So these three ABMC is these three connections is already added these profiles which I already connected to this network. So these networks actually available in my PC. So this Wi-Fi is my current connection, and these two is the connections that I tried before to. I didn't try, but I connected to this networks. So that's why here is going to show me. Let me just use arrow keys to bring this command. So here I'm going to try something like this drives, not drivers. So I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, it's going to show me all these drivers with my Wi-Fi. So if I'm going to scroll up, so here I can find more information related to this type of connection that I am connected. So as you can see, it's going to show me the drivers, which is this Dell wireless. It's going to show me which is a provider is this Microsoft. So here let me just type this netsh wireless LAN show networks. So this commands, as you can see, is going to show me all these networks available in my range. So as you can see here, it's going to show me this Wi-Fi, this one. Let me just here show you. Here we have this one, and also this networks. This is the network that's in my range. So here let me show you the best technique that can help you to run this commands to find information on troubleshoot your wireless connection with your Windows PC. So here I'm going to use arrow keys to bring this command. So I'm going to delete this. So here when you're going to type this netsh space wlan space show, hit enter. So as you can see, I can run these commands like this show all, this allow explicit search, which is show the allow shared user credential settings. And also I can run this show autoconfig. I can run this show blocked networks, which is shows the blocked network display settings. And also I can run this show and this create all user profile, and show me this driver, show me filters, show me hosted networks, which is show hosted networks properties and status. And here, as you can see, show interfaces, show a list of the wireless LAN interfaces on the system. So here, as you can see, we have this show networks, which we already try this. So here we have this show only this user GP profile of GP profiles for allowed networks. And here we have this show profiles, show randomization, show whether NAC or randomization is enabled or disabled, show settings, show tracing, and we have a lot of commands that you can run this. So this is the technique that you can, if you didn't remember this command, so you can just run this wlan space show and hit enter on your keyboard. So this is going to list you all these commands. So here one of the very important command that also it needed to run as a administrative privileges. So here we have this show with this WLAN report. So this is going to generate a report about your connections that you currently connected to that Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, it's going to find or query all this information, and it's going to put it just right here. So I'm going to just copy this path. Let me just select this and hit enter. So I'm going to use this Windows key and R. So here I'm going to open this path. So let me show you, this is the complete report about your Wi-Fi connections. So this can really help you a lot. As you can see here, is going to show you this started a connection, disconnected from a network, wireless adapter entered a low power state, wireless adapter entered a working power state, not stat state. And here network is connected to the internet, network has limited connectivity, network has no connectivity, and error. As you can see, it's going to show you the summary as well. So if I'm going to scroll down, so as you can see here, it's going to show me all this information for my Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, I can just scroll down, I can see my wireless session. So this is really important that when you're going to so as you can see here, not only is going to show me the connected, but I try to connect it to this Wi-Fi as well. But here let me show you that I'm connected to this Wi-Fi right now, but I didn't use that, I didn't browse something, and I just connected now. So as you can see here, it's going to show me this profile, this ID. Why? Because this Wi-Fi, I was already connected to this Wi-Fi, so I use it. So that's why it's going to show me all this information about this Wi-Fi. So now if I'm connected to this Wi-Fi connection, so now if I want to browse something, so if I want to use this connection something like for a day or for a 2 or 3 days, so definitely is going to show me all this information here. So this information is active information, that's active connection, which is going to show you with your network. As you can see here, we have this wireless security stop, and here is going to show you the information all about your wireless connection. So this information can really help you to troubleshoot your connection with your Windows PC. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learn how to troubleshoot your wireless and how you can see all these reports while running this command in your Windows. So hope you guys enjoy this video, And thanks for watching this video until now. So see you guys in the next video.